Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do another adventure regarding the BT-Moto ECU Flash unit. First, let's start with our Bible verse for today out of Ephesians chapter 5 verse 18 and 19. And do not get drunk with wine, for that is dissipation, but be filled with the Spirit, speaking to one another in psalms and hymns and spiritual songs, singing and making melody with your heart to the Lord. All right, today I'm going to try to reset my bike to its original ECU file. BT-Moto says it's very important to do this anytime you take the bike in for service. We're going to be taking the bike in for a service next weekend, so I wanted to go ahead and do this today. Now, BT-Moto says it's very important to do this. Max McAllister with Traction Dynamics, whom I admire and respect very much, says it's not really necessary to do this. At least the first time I take it in, I want to go ahead and reset it. We'll see how this goes. All right. I've already taken off the side panels, and I've got the bike ready to go here. I've taken off the side panels, and I've also hooked the bike up to a battery charger so it stabilizes the battery. All right, let's get out the flash device here. Comes with this cable. This is the cable that we're dealing with. This is the flash device itself. Hook up this into the cable, plugging it into the flash device. Okay. This black cable hooks up to the OBD port, which is the red port right down here. You have to take the cap off. You actually lift up on this little tab. That's what you have to do for this. There we go. This is the cap. Comes off. We'll put that right there for the time being, and we'll go ahead and hook this up. It'll only hook up one way, so you don't really have to be too careful with that. Now this red alligator clip, I'm going to take around the other side and hook up to the positive terminal of the battery. All right. Let me do that. The flash unit comes alive. We are going to work. We're going to write. We're going to go choose original. Connect your battery to stabilized battery. We've done that. Switch the dashboard on. It says wait, starting communication. Operation in progress. We have a progress bar. Switch off the dashboard to continue. Again, warning, please connect your vehicle to a stabilized battery. We have done that. Switch the dashboard on. Again, it's starting communications. Riding preparation in progress. ECU programming mygfile.org or ORGI. I've got a progress bar. Notice that the dashboard is flashing. This is normal for programming mode. We're starting to have some progress on the progress bar. This step should take about, well, it took about 22 minutes to write the original file, to write the modified file the last time I did this. So we'll see how this goes this time. I'll be back with you in just a little while. Okay, the process has completed. It took about 23 or 24 minutes to rewrite the original file. Now it's telling us to switch off the dashboard. At this stage, it's important to remember to use a long off switch here. Turning it off and holding it off. Now the unit has started, it says wait, operation in progress. We've got a new progress bar going. So remember, there's another 1 or 2 on and off cycles before it fully completes the process. And now the thing about this is that after I take my motorcycle in for service, I have to re-flash it again to the modified file. So I go through all this same process pretty much again sometime after I take my bike in for service. All right, switch on the dashboard, check the connections, and press OK. Turn the dashboard back on. It is on. We're going to press OK. Warning, connect your vehicle to a stabilized battery. We've already done that, of course. It says wait, starting communication. Switch off the dashboard to continue. Again, this is a long turn off and hold. And it says riding ECU completed. So we finished the process. Analyzing log in process. And it's returned back to the main menu. I believe we finished it. I'm going to disconnect the BT-Moto Flasher unit. First, I'm going to come over here to the battery and disconnect the alligator clamp. Okay, we got that off. Next, I'm going to come over here and disconnect the... Okay, well, that's the process for reinstalling the original file. Takes about 20-25 minutes. Fairly straightforward and simple. The file was still on the BT-Moto tuning device, and the upgrade file's on it also. I'll be taking the bike in for service about a week from now, and then probably the day after that, or maybe that later that same day, I'm going to reinstall the upgrade file. I'll let you know if I have any problems with that. All right, well, thanks for watching, Take care. If you have any plans for the upcoming Labor Day weekend, hope you have a great time and ride safely. Bye now.